KTM's Thailand backup has displayed 2 or 3 exceptional release models in view of the India-made Duke 250. Directed at craftsmanship darlings, the bikes include intense and energetic present-day workmanship illustrations on fuel tank cladding and rear end. Notwithstanding the illustrations, the KTM Duke 250 Special Edition models additionally don a variety of frill, for example, conspicuous orange knuckle monitors, motor gatekeepers, with sliders, which are connected to the trellis casing, and yellow shields for the front fork. The bikes likewise accompany another complement headlamp and cowl gathering. It's to be noticed that the Duke 250 for the Thai market is yet to get the styling refresh of the second-era Duke family. Rest of the cruiser appears to have been left untouched. The KTM Duke 250 is fueled by 248.8 cubic centimeters single-barrel fluid-cooled motor which is mated to a 6-speed transmission to create 29.91 PS and 24 Nm of torque. Like its relatives, the quarter-liter road contender is supported by a steel trellis outline which is suspended by topsy-turvy WP adaptive fork at the front and WP monoshock at the back. The 17-inch amalgam wheels come wrapped in 110/70 front and 150/60 race tires from Metzeler. The 2 wheels utilize a circle brake each. The KTM Duke 250 Special Edition is evaluated at 179,800 bahts, around INR 3.74 lakhs. In Thailand, the Duke 250 opponents any semblance of Yamaha MT-03, Honda CB300F and Kawasaki Z300.